Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a ghost. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a ghost and we're gonna do it in a super easy way, so I hope you like this lesson. Let's start in the middle of the paper. Now we're gonna go up a little and we're gonna draw first the eyes, and we're gonna do two oval shapes really close to each other, and we're gonna try to make these oval shapes the same size, and then we're gonna color with black. There, there's two big oval shapes. Now we're gonna leave a finger space on the left side, and we're gonna go down passing the eye, and I'm gonna start making a curve that looks like a upside down letter U, and it goes around the eyes just like that. And now on the left side I'm gonna do a curve that goes in and then a curve that goes out, almost like a C shape. In the other side I'm gonna do a line that goes down and makes a curve too. Now let's go back on the left side, and this time I'm gonna go in like this far, and I want to start coming down, and I want to try to touch the first line, and I'm making a curve, and now I'm making like a backwards letter C. Okay, looks like a letter S here. In the other side I'm gonna go in the same, kind of like the same distance. I'm gonna do a line that goes down and start curving and coming down. Now these shapes doesn't have to be as the same as mine. This is just an idea, and it can be a little different than this. Now we're gonna continue on the right side, and we're gonna curve down, and from this point I'm gonna make a sideways letter C, and it's gonna look like this. It's a letter C. And now we're gonna join these lines with a curve. Now we're gonna trace from the letter C that we did here. We're gonna trace from this corner, we're gonna go up and trace a line, and from this corner we're gonna go up as well and trace another line. I'm also gonna grab this corner here and I wanna trace a line, and my lines are moving a little because this is kind of like fabric, so we want our lines that don't be absolutely straight. We wanna move a little bit. From this corner I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna connect with this one. In these corners, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go with a straight line up, and these ones are straight lines. We're gonna go up. And now we're gonna put a little bit of color. And there, that's it. We finished this little ghost. I hope you like this lesson and it was easy for you to follow. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.